Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are looking at one of our teas that will help you glow from the inside out, Organic Beauty Me. This herbal blend is minty and lightly sweet with a warming ginger element. This blend has 8 ingredients and we're going to talk about each one and what it does for your skin, hair, and health. First up, let's talk about organic rooibos. Rooibos is a South African herb and is the base of this blend. Rooibos has numerous health benefits, including having 6 times as many antioxidants as a cup of green tea, and containing alpha-hydroxy and zinc, which are great ingredients for beautiful skin and hair. Rooibos is also rich in polyphenols, which assist in reducing inflammation, along with being a great stress fighter. Next up is organic ginger root. Ginger has plenty of health benefits, but was chosen specifically for this blend for its ability to help the body absorb vital nutrients and increase the effectiveness of this tea. Third is peppermint. Peppermint is known to be a calming herb and helps to alleviate stress, which can be a large cause of hair loss and poor skin health. In addition, peppermint teas are anti-inflammatory. Peppermint is one of my favorite ingredients for all of its amazing health benefits and flavor. Next up, we have organic dandelion root. Dandelion root was included in this blend because it is packed with vitamin A. Vitamin A is known to help prevent and reduce acne and assist with preventing skin cancer. Additionally, vitamin A supports the immune and digestive systems. This is organic holy basil, also known as Tulsi. This is an incredible ingredient as it is an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Tulsi is also known to help with skin disorders and promote healthy hair and skin. These cute little green leaves belong to organic Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola has several names including Indian and Asiatic pennywort and is a small herbaceous plant. This plant has been shown to help reduce skin blemishes, wrinkles, and varicose veins. Second to last, we have organic burdock root. Burdock is known to help with several skin conditions, including wrinkles, eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Additionally, burdock is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial ingredient. And finally, we have organic rose petals. Rose petals have a wonderful combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that tackle dry skin and other skin conditions. Rose petals also have astringent properties, making them an excellent combatant for acne, redness, and inflammation. Next up, let's make a fun recipe with this minty and skin-glowing blend. For this recipe, I'm going to start with 3 teaspoons of my Organic Beauty Me tea and use about 8 ounces of hot water and allow this to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. While that's steeping, I'm going to take about half a cup of blackberries, reserving a few for garnish, and crush them up with the back of a wooden spoon. You could also use a cocktail muddler, which would be a lot easier. I'm going to do this until these are well pulverized so that I can extract the juice from them in a moment. After the berries have been crushed, I'm going to use a fine mesh strainer to get as much juice out as I can and discard the pulp and the seeds. I'm then going to add about a teaspoon of simple syrup to my drink for a little sweetness, and then pour my tea right on top. I'm then going to add my blackberries, a little bit of my sparkling water, and finish it off with a little bit of heavy cream. I love how this mixes together, and it's so mesmerizing to watch. And that's it for this video. I hope you give Organic Beauty Me a try or suggest it to someone who you think would enjoy it, and I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep checking in for any new sales, other videos, and fun content we've got going on. Have a great rest of your week. Bye!